Hello and welcome. I'm Daniela Niecki, the Real Estate Bee, and I help US buyers and all foreign buyers and investors navigate Spain's property investment market. Today, I am breaking down the official Q3 2025 housing price report, what it means for your investment, where the opportunities are, and which mistakes to avoid. The report is in the description. It's in Spanish, but you are free to go look at it. And if you have questions, please put them in the comments and I will help you. If you're serious about property investments in Spain, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future market updates, tips, and investment opportunity specifically for US buyers with whom I'm working a lot and all foreign buyers with whom I've been working for 15 years in Spain. Let's start. Let's start with what matters most for US buyers looking at property investments in Spain. According to the Q3 2025 RealAdvisor barometer, the Spanish property market has hit record levels. National average, 2,520 euros per square meter. That's approximately 2,750 US dollars per square meter at current exchange rates, plus 12.5% annual increase and plus 2.7% quarterly growth. Apartments are around 2,785 euros per square meter, plus 13.4 year on year, and houses 2,173 euros per square meter, plus 11.3 year on year. If you compare that to Miami or California coastal markets, you'll see how Spain's Costa del Sol real estate and Mediterranean coast still offer significantly better value with strong appreciation potential. What this means for you: the market is active, prices are at historic highs, but investing in Spain, especially in the right zones, still delivers very strong ROI because this trend is expected to continue over the next years. Not all regions move the same. Here is where foreign investors and buyers are seeing the best opportunities. Madrid City, the average flat prices are up 13.2% year on year, reaching 5,113 euros per square meter, which is around $5,575. Valencia region stands out. Flats are up 18.3% annually and 49.5% over 3 years. This is one of the best places to buy property in Spain right now, the province of the area, the region of Valencia, the Costa Blanca. But here's what really matters for buying property in Spain as a US or foreign investor: coastal investment zones. Alicante, Costa Blanca, the apartments are up 12.2% annually. Murcia, Costa Calida, plus 14.8% annual growth. Malaga, on the Costa del Sol, strong demand from foreign buyers. Marbella and Estepona property markets are showing premium pricing with solid rental yields. All these coastal Levante Mediterranean zones are being driven by foreign buyers like you. Strong rental demand and the residential visa opportunity through property investments like the non-lucrative visa. If you are moving to Spain or looking for investment property, these should be your target zones. Quick question before we continue. Are you looking at new developments or resale properties? And which costs interest you the most? Drop a comment below. I read every one and often create videos based on your questions. Here is the critical factor driving the Spain property market and why timing matters. The supply crisis, the housing deficit, 450,000 units for 2022 to 2024. New construction, only 100,000 homes per year. Required between 150 and 200,000 homes per year. Result, structural shortage driving prices up. And I tell you, this is not something that will be sorted out anytime soon. The demand surge, the Euribor is now at 2.5%. So there is favorable financing. More mortgages have been approved. US buyers and foreign investors are increasing in number and in what they are purchasing. Also, remote work trend is driving especially Costa del Sol property market demand. For foreign investors and those moving to Spain, this supply-demand imbalance means, first, properties in desirable zones continue appreciating. Second, competition is real. Good properties sell fast, so move fast. Third, how to buy property in Spain strategically matters more than ever. Fourth, working with experts who understand US buyer and foreign buyers' needs is critical. I will prepare more videos specific for you, so subscribe and you'll be notified. Let's talk specifically about property investment. Spain opportunities for US buyers and foreign investors in general. The opportunity, Costa del Sol, Costa Calida, Costa Blanca, 12 to 15% annual growth or more. This is what has been registered over the recent years. Real estate, Costa del Sol, strong rental yields between 5 and 7% in prime areas. Currency advantage, blocking a favorable US dollar versus euro or pound versus euro exchange rate improves your buying power. Check my interview with Caxfund Currency Exchange Agency to find out how you can save thousands on your property purchase. Lifestyle plus investment, live part-time rent when you are away. The reality check. Valuations are high across the board. Core cities like Madrid and Barcelona may plateau soon due to very high base prices. Coastal zones still have upward trends but require a smart selection. Financing available but require proper structure for foreign buyers. I can get you in touch with the best mortgage brokers who will help you find the best financing opportunity and support you with absolutely everything. For tax purposes, US, UK tax purposes, understanding these valuations and rental income implications is critical. I have a detailed video on that. The link is in the description. If you are ready to explore opportunities, check the link below in the description, schedule a call with me. I specialize in helping foreign buyers and investors navigate financing taxes and finding properties that meet both lifestyle and investment goals. So let's discuss. Now, no market is without risks. Here is what US buyers, foreign investors need to watch. Market risks. First, over-evaluation in hottest zones. Work with the right people. The RealAdvisor flags this specifically. If interest rates spike or inflation jumps, affordability could decline, so keep an eye on that. Some smaller provinces show modest growth. Micro-market analysis is essential. Now, smart buying strategy. 1. Work with specialists who understand US buyers, UK buyers, foreign buyers in general needs and are expert in working with international investors. 2. Due diligence on developer history, legal status, insurance policy. 3. Long-term holding horizons, 5-10 years minimum. 4. Clear exit strategy. 5, understand Spanish inheritance laws that are very different from the ones in the UK or in the US. Now, the government factor. Spain's housing plan promises 565,000 affordable units by 2030. Will they deliver? With elections mid-cycle, it's uncertain. But even if they do, it targets different market segment than foreign property investors like you. So, bottom line, this is a strong market, but strategic buying with expert guidance is non-negotiable. Looking ahead for property investment in Spain. Forecast. Continued growth, but possibly at a slower pace depending on the areas. Q3 showed plus 2.7% quarterly in general, plus 3.6% for houses, plus 2.3% for apartments, increase in price. 2026 projection, 2 to 3% quarterly growth if conditions persist. Demand from domestic and foreign buyers remains very strong, with Costa Blanca leading with almost 1 in 2 properties sold to foreigners. Why Spain remains attractive? First, relative affordability of the properties, including luxury properties, compared to other European and international markets. Second, lifestyle quality, over 300 days of sunshine, especially on the costas, excellent healthcare, safety, leisure, international schools. We'll refresh all these in future videos, so subscribe. Remote work infrastructure getting better and better. Residential visa pathways, quite easy. Strong rental market for investors. Option to secure the best currency exchange rate if you work with the right people. For US buyers and international investors, it's a good market, likely to remain so, but the price may moderate. If you are planning to buy within the next 12-24 months, acting strategically within your time frame makes perfect sense. So to wrap up, the Spanish real estate market in Q3 2025 is strong, with record prices, robust demand, and growing interest from US buyers a lot, and in general confirmation of interest by international investors. But high valuations and possible moderations mean strategy and timing matter more than ever. If you're thinking of buying properties in Spain, especially along the Costa del Sol, Costa Calida, or Costa Blanca, let's talk. At the Real Estate Bee, I specialize in helping US buyers and international investors navigate the market, getting you in touch with the best experts for everything, for all the aspects involved in the purchase process. Mortgage, taxes, currency exchange, insurance, lawyers, and find properties that deliver both lifestyle and ROI. There are 3 ways I can help you. First, subscribe so you will receive all the market updates, property tips, property videos, and purchase advice. 2, download my free guide to buying property in Spain as an international buyer. The link is in the description. 3, schedule a call with me. Link in the description to discuss your specific situation. It's a free call. We can meet each other and see if we can work together, if I can help you. Drop a comment. Which region interests you the most? Are you looking for investment property, a second home, or planning to relocate full-time? Let me know. Now, thank you for watching. I see you in my next video.